Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at my dad's friend's house, looking at their door and their opener. It's a Genie Promax model PMX 500 IC/B, 1/2 horsepower chain drive on a 16x7 clopay door. Here's a wall button. We'll be getting an inside and outside view. We'll get a view from right here. Oh. Yeah. That's pretty quiet for a chain drive. One of the panels doesn't look too good. And of course, galvanized springs. One of them looks like it's about to break. One of them's bigger, one of them's smaller. We'll open it up using the wall button. Gotta make this quick because I'm running low on battery and I got a new phone. So I'm recording this with a brand new phone. So yeah. We'll get an outside view. No keypad. Here we go. Here's the outside of the door. Open it. Here's a better look at the door. Here's the safety sensors. Man, those are pretty old. Somehow this still works. That's covered in leaves. Gotta clean that. We'll get a safety sensor check. Obviously, the lights don't blink. It's just a Genie opener. Here's the reinforcement bracket. This is the one that has like the built-in hinge. Show you. Yeah, right there. See how the hinge is built in. The rest of the hinges. So yeah, we'll close it one last time from over here. We'll get like a further view. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.